it's summertime and everyone likes to make homemade ice cream in the summertime, but it doesn't have to be just something for summertime when you have an ice cream maker like this. I got this a couple of months ago. In the summertime when I grew up, we used the big gallon churners where you put rock salt and then ice all around it and you let it churn and churn. It was really noisy and usually wanted to do it outside. This one from Cuisinart I got a couple of months ago, and it makes ice cream in like 15 minutes. And with this recipe that you put together in like 1 minute, in less than 20 minutes, you can have homemade ice cream. And ever since I got this, I've been making it nonstop because my family loves it. So this is my mom's recipe that we used to make in the big gallon things with all the ice and the rock salt. But I'm just halving it for the 2 quart because 2 quarts is half of a gallon. And then we're gonna put it in the Cuisinart. So it's basically a bunch of strawberries. It's hard to decipher how many strawberries you want. So like a square basket full. I might have a little bit more than that. And I've smashed it up with my masher just a little bit. I like the chunks in it too, so I don't smash it up too much. You could also use frozen strawberries from the grocery store, but fresh is always better. And you just want to put that in your bowl. And you're going to add 3 cups of half and half. This is just half and half that comes a bottle from the store. You can make your own with half cream, half milk, which I do a lot when I don't have half and half. And then 1.5 cups sugar and 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Fresh squeeze is nice if you don't have fresh squeeze. I always have a bottle of the lemon juice in a bottle in my fridge, so in a pinch I can use that. And honestly, I don't really tell much difference. And then all you do is give it a stir. You want to stir it fairly well because you want to get the mixture, you want to get the sugar crystals as dissolved as you can. When I'm in a hurry, I'll just give it a good stir, make sure it's stirred well. If I have time, I'll actually mix it all together and then put it in the refrigerator so it has more time to dissolve and it gets colder. So the colder it is, the better. But I'm not kidding, this thing makes ice cream so fast. I just keep this thing in my freezer all the time so it's ready whenever when I get the hankering to make some ice cream. And that's it. So we have it all mixed, and then I need the pieces for the ice cream maker to mix it. This is the paddle or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure the special name for it. And the lid. It just sets on there like that. This is the part that makes it much less noisy, and it really is a lot less noisy than most ice cream makers, and it keeps it from coming out the top if you have an accident. So all you have to do is press ice cream. You can also make gelato and sorbet, but I haven't tried that yet. And then you're going to press start. And once it's going, you're just going to pour your mixture in. And once it's all in, yum, you put the top on and that makes it even quieter. See how it dampens the noise quite a bit there. Let it go for 15 minutes and then we'll show you how deliciously done our ice cream is. Okay, our ice cream's been going for about 20 minutes. It really depends on how cold your freezer is and how cold this bowl gets, how long it takes. It's gonna be between 15 and 25 minutes to get done. So this is just perfect. I'm gonna stop it and take the lid off. I'm gonna show you how yummy our ice cream turned out. Doesn't that look delicious? It's 2 quarts of delicious homemade strawberry ice cream. And what I do at this point is I'll scrape this off with a spatula and then I put them into these 1 quart containers because this is 2 quarts, so you get 2 of these. I bought these on Amazon by a pack of 10, and then I write on the top which they are because sometimes I make strawberry and people never know which one is which. And I usually put them in the freezer for a couple hours or overnight, and you have perfect homemade consistency ice cream. You could eat it right out, but it's a little soft at this point. Depends on your personal preference. So homemade ice cream, literally less than 30 minutes, anytime you like.